Welcome to All India Sri Shivaji Memorial Society's Institute of Information Technology, Pune, Maharashtra. I, Mrs. Kulkarni Sheetal V, Assistant Professor from Department of Instrumentation Engineering, AISSMS Institute of Information Technology, Pune, Maharashtra. In this video, we are going to discuss energy harvesting. Contents are dynamic power management, what is energy harvesting, techniques of energy harvesting, thermal, wireless, mechanical and vibration. Dynamic power management. Strategy attempts to minimize the power consumption of the system by dynamically defining the most economical operation conditions. This condition takes the requirements of the application, the topology of the network, and the task arrival rate of different subsystems into account. Different approaches of a dynamic power management are dynamic operation modes, dynamic scaling, and energy harvesting. Energy harvesting is the process by which energy is derived from external sources, captured and stored for small wireless autonomous devices like those used in wearable electronics and wireless sensor networks. These are the different techniques of energy harvesting. Thermal, RF and mechanical are going to be discussed in this video. Thermal energy harvesting is the process of capturing heat which is either freely available in the environment or which is waste energy given off by engines, machines and other sources and putting it to use. The core element of TEG is a thermopile formed by arrays of two dissimilar conductors. Principle is Seebeck effect, which states that electrical voltage is produced when two dissimilar metals join at two junctions are kept at different temperature. This is because the metals respond differently to the temperature difference, creating heat flow through the thermoelectric generators. This produces a voltage difference that is proportional to the temperature difference between the hot and cold plates. The thermal energy is converted into electrical power when a thermal gradient is created. Piezoelectric energy harvesting is the process of generating voltage by heating or cooling pyroelectric materials. Principle is time varying temperature change. Changes in temperature modify the locations of the atoms in the crystal structure of the pyroelectric material which produced voltage. It's having greater efficiency compared to thermoelectric harvesting. Wireless energy harvesting. RF energy harvesting is the process of converting electromagnetic waves into electricity by reflecting antenna. Energy can be harvested from either ambient RF power from sources such as radio and television broadcasting, cell phones, Wi-Fi communications and microwaves, or from EM signals generated at a specific wavelength. Resonant energy harvesting, it is the process of transferring and harvesting electrical energy between coils which are highly resonant at the same frequency. Vibration energy harvesting, it converts vibration energy into electrical energy. It is basically as simple as it sounds. In this diagram, the movement of the source is transferred to a moving mass, that is the mass of the energy harvester. A part of the energy is dissipated via friction and some heat is produced. A part of the input energy is stored because of the elastic properties of the mechanical parts as a spring and released when the direction of the motion is inverted. The remaining energy is converted into electricity. Mechanical energy harvesting. The principle is based on mechanical energy is going to be converted into electrical energy. Example, displacement motion is going to be converted into electrical energy. Types are piezoelectric, electrostatic and electromagnetic. Piezoelectric energy harvesting. Use a piezoelectric crystal to produce electricity. In a piezoelectric crystal at equilibrium, changes are homogeneously distributed in its volume. When an external force is applied and stress is induced in the structure, this distribution changes and charges start to move in an effort to re-establish the equilibrium. Electrostatic energy harvesting is based on changing the capacitance of a vibration dependent variable capacitor. In order to harvest the mechanical energy, a variable capacitor is created by opposing two plates, one fixed and one moving, and is initially charged. When vibrations separate the plate, mechanical energy transforms into electrical energy from the capacitance change. Electromagnetic energy is based on Faraday's law of electromagnetic induction. An electromagnetic harvester uses an inductive spring mass system for converting mechanical energy to electrical. It induces voltage by moving a mass of magnetic material through a magnetic field created by stationary magnet. These are the references used while doing this video. Thank you for your patience listening and watching this video. Keep learning.